CORTIS TNT Official MV just dropped like 15 hours ago from right now. Again, your boy just like moved in, but we're still like, organizing, taking away boxes and stuff like that. So it's a mess behind this green screen, hence why you don't see the background yet. But let's check out TNT. Let me get hype. Hopefully it's hype, because I think CORTIS does like a mixture of a lot of things. Yeah. So let's get into it. Let's check out TNT in 3, 2, 1. Oh. Okay. Hey. Pop out. Hey. Rock out. Hey. Damn. We TNT. Hey. Damn. They rough with them, huh? Oh, they got distracted. Oh. Okay. Zing. Hey. Rock out. Hey, yo. Damn, that's so many people running. Damn. Are those all real people? It has to be, right? Hey, oh my god. Like a zombie apocalypse. What you TNT. Oh, they in the darkness. No, wait, that's it? Oh, it's not. Oh, behind the scenes now? Directed by Idiots and CORTIS. Oh, what? What? Bro, literally a minute of credits. Holy shit. Right? I like the beat. Hold up. Let me look at the lyrics again. 16 still clueless kids. 5 brats in a room every night. At the studio PC working there. Pop out. Rock out. Hey. TNT. What you mean? This is like a hype song, like the way it like builds as well, but also you can vibe out to it. Like a nod, like kind of like just bob your head. Hey. Pop out. This shit would be crazy live too. I already know. Seeing them live once. I was lucky enough and blessed enough to be seeing them live at like iHeartRadio. That's a crazy shot, by the way. I mean, I guess the credits are long because the amount of people that are running, if they're all like real. Why am I doubting that? Like, at least in this scene, I feel like in this scene it's crazy. Like the people here, Are they real? Like right here too? Are these people real too? TNT. Hey, hey. Yeah, 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 yeah. Damn. On the darkness. I guess this shout out to everybody here too. God, wait. Yeah, holy shit. Oh my god, day one. All these people. Wow. Day two. Wow. Wow. Okay, I see why it takes a day three. I can see why it took like a minute of credits. Shout out to everybody. Day four. 4 days, shoot. Okay. Anyways, put a comment down below what you guys think of TNT by CORTIS. Let me know what you think of CORTIS in general. I know people have their opinions, whether they like them or not, or like, of like, well, I feel like just because they're like so young, that's why I'm like not as hypercritical, because they have a lot of time to grow and develop even their own sound. I feel like a lot of artists or idols just go through that too, especially if they're working on their own craft. So I'm just glad to see them be creative, whether it be through music video, their songs, or just like in lyrics in general. So big up CORTIS, rooting for you. All right, y'all, like this video, share this video, and subscribe. It's your boy Dre. Keep on dreaming, dream, believe, do, repeat. If you have a dream out there, put some hard work to it, it might just come true. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.
Hey, you better subscribe.
Yo, be sure to join Patreon. You can become a free member or subscribe for adults to access more content. Check out my reaction to K-pop Demon Hunters. We reacted to Squid Game Season 3. We're checking out a bunch of animes. We also upload first listens here, some exclusive reactions to K-pop comebacks. You already know I reacted to EXO Kitty, and I know Season 3 is coming up soon. So be sure to click the link to my Patreon and become a member now. If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on JREKML. I'm there every day.